All right, guys, so I just got this portable bottle warmer. So let's open this bad baby and see what's inside. All right. So first of all, nice size. Has a handle, pretty light, without milk inside, obviously. And super simple. I like it. I like it. I like the color, especially because I have a daughter. It's nice. This is a nice lavender color, regardless. There's a top up here. So with the top, you see it has a lock and unlock. But this can confuse some people, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So you have to. This is how you open it, but you have to press this unlock button first. So you want to tap the unlock button so that when you tap this button, it opens up easily, okay? And then when you close it, you can tap the lock button, and then that way when you tap it, it won't open, okay? Nice and simple, all right? So you can take this top off, boom. And then you put your milk obviously inside of here. And you could press this is the power button. You press and hold the power button for 1 second and it'll come on. And then the temperature and the battery will display right here, okay? So then you can cut up the temperature to whatever temperature that you need it to be. Quick note, if you cut it to a certain temperature and then the next time you use it, you don't change the temperature, it'll remain constant every time you turn it on. Okay, so if you heat it up to 96 degrees every time, or the first time, and then the second time you cut it on and you don't change it, it'll just every time it cuts on, it'll warm up at 96 degrees. That's just an FYI. If you want to change that, it'll display what this displays the current temperature. So if even if you have it warming up to 96 degrees, it'll but if it's at 88 degrees, it'll show 88 degrees. And then if you want to see where you have it set at, you just press 1 second. It'll show you the temperature, and then you can adjust it as you see fit once you see it. Guys, I love this. I think this is very simple to use, easy to work with, easy to maneuver. It does come with a charger without a base. So I got to deduct a point for that. But overall, guys, I give this a 9 out of 10 for its ease of use, for its lightness, and it's really easy to work with. So, yeah, highly recommend, guys. All right, peace.